How to start a liquid diet for weight loss. Starting a liquid diet can be an effective way to jumpstart weight loss. This approach typically involves consuming liquids like smoothies, soups, and juices instead of solid foods. Here's a simplified guide to help you embark on this journey. Steps to start a liquid diet. Consult a professional. Before beginning, speak with a healthcare provider or dietitian to ensure a liquid diet is suitable for you, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Ease into it. Gradually reduce solid food intake a few days before starting. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables to help prepare your body. Stay hydrated. Increase your water intake to at least 8 glasses a day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and will help with the transition. Choose nutritious liquids. Focus on nutrient-rich options. 1. Smoothies. Blend fruits, leafy greens, and protein sources for balanced meals. 2. Soups. Opt for broth-based soups with vegetables. 3. Juices. Choose freshly squeezed juices but be mindful of sugar content. 4. Meal replacement shakes. Consider shakes that provide essential nutrients. Monitor nutritional intake. Keep track of your nutrition to ensure you're getting a balanced diet. Include high-fiber ingredients to promote fullness. Reintroduce solid foods gradually. After reaching your weight loss goals, slowly add solid foods back into your diet, starting with soft options. By following these steps, you can successfully start a liquid diet for weight loss while ensuring it remains healthy and sustainable. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.